Hi there, my name is Basith Mohammed and I'm currently taking CS50W, which is Harvard's Introduction to Web Development with Python and JavaScript. And this is my Project 1, Wiki. So the first specification of the project was the entry page, which you could visit an encyclopedia entry by doing /wiki/title. And if that entry doesn't exist, then you're prompted with an error page. So let's go over to my project over here. And then let's go to /wiki/CSS, which is in a real page, and then we're taken to the CSS page. We go to home, and then let's try one more, /wiki/Python. And we're taken over to the Python page. Now let's try something that doesn't exist. Let's try /wiki/Java. And we get an error here. The wiki page for Java was not found. So let's go back home here. The next specification was the index page, which is the main page. And basically, instead of having them as static words, that those words would be links that take you to those specific pages. So here's the index page. And as you can see, we have all the pages here and they're all links, which is why they're blue. And then you can click on them and go to every single page. So we're going to get HTML and so on and so forth. Let's go to HTML. The next specification was the search page, which allows for a user to search, and if that entry exists, then takes you directly to the entry. If it doesn't exist, then tries to search for related terms based on a substring, and if there's nothing, then it just shows you none. So let's go over here. Let's try Python, and we're taken directly to the Python page. Now let's try a why though, which is a substring in Python. So Python is shown, and we can click on it and go to Python. And let's just try O only, because the Django and Python both have O, and then we can go to either one here, just like that. So that's a search. And if there's nothing like Java, then we're just shown none. Next thing is the new page feature, which allows for a user to create a new page. So let's go over here, create new page, and then we can enter a page title. Let's just type in Java, and then we can enter a page content in Markdown. So let's just do Java, and let's do best. Let's just do best programming language. Let's just do better than Python, better than C++, as a list here. So this is a Markdown syntax, by the way. And if we click submit over here, then we're taken to a new Java page. And obviously the Markdown syntax is converted. And we go to home, then our Java page is added, and we can click on it, and then we can see the Java page here. And the other pages still work as normal. Next, we have the ability to edit every single entry, and we can change the Markdown content. So let's go to the new Java page that we made. Maybe Java is not better than C++, so let's click the edit here. So as you can see, all these pages have edit here at the bottom. Let's go to the Java one, edit. And maybe it's not better than C++, maybe it's better than C. So then we can change that, and then we can click Save Changes. And there you go. Now the changes are saved, and we can go back to home. We can do that again. We can do that with Django here. Edit. Maybe we want to say in bold here, this was made with Django. And then let's click Save Changes. And then over here we get this was made in Django. So now let's go back to the home. And these changes are saved. Next is just the simple random page. So if you just click here, it'll literally take you to a random page. So we get Python this time, Git, Django, CSS, HTML, Git, HTML, CSS, Java, the one that I made. So just random. And the final thing is the Markdown to HTML conversion, which has been shown already, but I'll just show you guys more. So maybe if we go back to Java here, we edit it. As you can see, the hash shows the title, and these shows lists. Maybe if you want to do something bolded, hello, it automatically converts to HTML from Markdown. And yeah, that basically was my project. Thank you for watching, and can't wait to do more projects.